Good evening, my beautiful friends. Thank you for joining me in today's transformational wisdom and powerful guided healing meditation. Friends, it seems as if we all are going through our life's toughest exam caused by this pandemic from the last 9 months. The consequences of COVID-19, such as job insecurities, financial troubles, mental health issues, disease and death, are causing so much pain and discomfort all around us. Take a moment and imagine the present times. For the first time in life, 7.8 billion people on this entire planet are creating the energy of fear, stress and anxiety because of this COVID-19, which has brought overall vibrations of the outside atmosphere very, very low. So outside is full of confusion today. No one has answers to today's global crisis. Usually we human beings are so used to of trying to find answers to our issues through Google search or through medical science. But today, when we are not able to get specific answers from the materialistic world, there is only one way to cross through these turbulent times, and I am going to share that with you. That is to make ourselves self-independent. In Hindi, it's called Atmanirbhar. Make yourself completely self-independent. So my message to you all is this, that we must learn how to become self-reliant. In these cloudy times, when there is no clarity in the outside world, we must create utmost clarity in our inside world. We need to produce a tremendous amount of inner power to energize ourselves so we can surf through the current crisis without being affected by them. And mind you, it is not difficult to adopt this new way of living life. But the real challenge is, neither in school nor at home, you have been taught what to do when you're feeling frustrated, when you're feeling upset, when things don't go according to what you expected. So, no one has taught us how to handle our negative emotions. And absence of this knowledge makes you suffer a lot in life. Trust me, talking or complaining about your sufferings to your friends or to your loved ones, it really doesn't help. It's not the answer of today's challenges. So the question is, how to live with this kind of highest level of awareness 24/7 and transform your stresses into your biggest stepping stones. Think about it. Whatever work you are doing, how much training you had to go through to achieve perfection in it. I'm sure years of training, hard work and time you had to spend for excellence to flow through it, isn't it? Imagine that everyone can kick the football We all have the ability to kick the ball, right? But when you get training, when you are coached well, then you can play the ball game very well, isn't it? Same is true with our mind. We have not taken the time to learn how to use our inner dimension and change our vibrations. Think about this. When there is crisis outside, when there are challenges in the outside world, what kind of energy we need in us and in our homes? Take a moment and just think about it, reflect upon it. What kind of energy we truly need to rise above today's challenges? We need calming vibrations and stable energy to face and finish this crisis and to spread joy, healing and harmony all around us. Today I want to share with you how to create pure and positive vibrations in the midst of outer chaos. To do that, we must first understand the anatomy of, actually the yogic anatomy of our body. Friends, there are two layers of our body, or I would say consciousness. The first is physical body, which is our outer body, and the second is subtler body. This represents our inner body, which actually is much larger than our physical body. So when we are faced with a crisis situation, our subtler body becomes much smaller than our physical body. And that is what brings our vibrations to a lower frequency. That is why people experience pain, misery, suffering, and mental issues like depression, anxiety, and fear. You know, it's like wearing a shirt which is one size smaller than yours. Have you imagined how uncomfortable that feeling is? You want to get out of it as soon as possible. That's the kind of feeling this gives you when your subtler body starts to shrink. And when the subtler body shrinks, that is when people start to feel frustrated, uncomfortable, and restless. But when you become aware of this higher wisdom and you become very mindful and start doing something about it, start doing breathing exercises, start practicing meditation, start gaining this higher knowledge, instantly you will experience joy and harmony. So, just like when you go to salon to get haircut, you go to gym to get some exercise done, you go to a restaurant when you want to eat, and when you want entertainment, you go to the theater. Exactly the same way, when you want to create a powerful, subtler body, when you want to create joy, peace, and inner power, then you also have to find a place where you can go and get that joy, get that happiness. And that is why I have created this mindful meditation yoga, this beautiful center of happiness through which you can gain knowledge, create higher vibrations and inner power. Get rid of pain, anger, and sadness and spread joy. Become happy. Elevate your life. Trust me, it is only and only through this spiritual connection we can become self-independent. Friends, we all want to reduce pain and increase joy in our life. We all want to manifest joy every moment of our life, isn't it? So today I'm going to share with you one more powerful secret which will help you to make this happen, to make this a reality. So please pay attention to what I'm about to share with you because it's very powerful. Today many of us are waiting anxiously for the old times to come back so we can just party and enjoy life. Majority of the people are sitting and waiting for their time to come back so they can enjoy life. And my message to you all is this: shift your focus from enjoying life to actually becoming joyful and see the beautiful unfoldment of life. Mind you, when you want to enjoy life and things don't happen the way you expected it, it can drag you to the lowest level of mental state. But if you work on how to make yourself joyful, you will be feeling stable, doing everything you do, whether you're going to work or you're locked down in your home, whether you have a job or not. But one thing is for sure, that you will always feel balanced. This is a powerful formula that I'm sharing with you today that needs to be adopted to live life with growing happiness. So when your whole body becomes the sound energy, your spirit gets uplifted. This is the only way to remove pain and sufferings from our daily life in today's crisis situations. So my message today is this. Number one, become self-independent. Atmanirbhar. Start relying upon your own soul power. Shift. We don't want to become dependent upon outer situations or outer people, but start becoming dependent upon your own soul power. Become self-reliant. Number two, today when the outside is not perfect, the need of the hour is to become perfect in your every thought, every word, and in every action. Create energy and power to avoid past sufferings, to create a beautiful present, to create beautiful moments in this present time, and decide assuring future by turning within. Our every thought, word, and action should give us and others power and not deplete us. Train yourself to nourish your soul. At least once a week, find some time towards your own well-being so that you can adopt to any and every situation that comes in your way. Spend at least 30 minutes a week on gaining this higher knowledge and in elevating your vibrations, like what we are doing right now, like what we do every Monday, at least 30 minutes a week towards your own joy, towards your own well-being. Mind you, soul is the seed of life. It needs to be watered for your tree of life to grow into your successful business life, for your successful social life, and for your successful, beautiful relationships, and for your destiny to change. Meditation nurtures your soul. It helps us to contemplate on purity and power and tune in the highest frequency, to tune in the highest level of vibrations, to tune in the highest level of awareness. This entire universe is like a very large website of life. So just log into this universal power through the practice of meditation, and trust me that data will be downloaded. Divine's purity, His wisdom, His power, His energy will be downloaded into your life. I can assure you that. So with this learning, with these words of wisdom, let's practice powerful guided healing meditation. You know, meditation, it's a journey from movement to stillness. It's a journey from sound to silence. So let's just shrug our hands like this. Now that our mind is centered, our body is kind of relaxed with these high vibration words and thoughts, let's just shrug our hands to relax our body a little more before we get into our meditation practice. And now sit tall, spine straight and erect. Have a beautiful smile on your face. Find yourself a spot where you cannot be disturbed for next 10 more minutes. You can sit in the meditation mudra, take the thumb and the index finger and place your wrists on your knees, spine straight, or you can simply place your hands in your lap. And now take a nice, long, deep inhale. Hold it to the count of 2. And now let it all out to the count of 4. And at this point, softly close your eyes. Disconnect yourself from the outer chaos, from this outer world, and connect yourself to your inner self. Connect yourself to the source of higher wisdom, to the source of all existence, to the source of all knowledge. Have a beautiful smile on your face. Just let go any negative thoughts, feelings, dislikes, hatred from your heart. Quieten your mind by listening to this guided healing meditation. And you'll find that in these moments of silence, higher powers will be whispering in you. Feel the calmness In these moments of silence, take a nice long deep breath to the count of 4. Hold it to the count of 2 and let it all out to the count of 4. Your in breath energizes your body while your out breath relaxes your body. Every breath expands your subtler body. Every breath makes your breathing more softer, subtler, gentler, and stable. With every breath, inhale peace. Feel as if you are breathing peace with every breath. And with every exhale, feel that you are ridding yourself from the negative emotions of life. We are nurturing both layers of our consciousness. We are honoring our life. We are honoring our precious life. Know and understand by you taking the time towards your self-care, becoming more mindful about your higher practices, you have begun a beautiful work in your life. Slowly bring your mind to your heart center and feel the vibrations of your heart. Feel the sensations of your heart chakra. Keep smiling. And at this point, feel a white light pulsating, throbbing in your heart center. Just feel that white light. Allow that white light to expand and grow in every part of your body. Let it flow from your heart to every cell of your body. Make sure no wrinkles on your forehead. Just maintain a vibrant smile. Allow this smile to percolate in every region of your body. When we shut our eyes and ears to the outside world and turn within, we get connected to the higher self. We step into the highest self of our body. We get connected to the source of all existence. We gain highest power. We merge in the oceanic power. We become one with our original nature. our original nature of spirit, which is love, joy, peace, power, purity. We are bathing in these qualities. We are being reborn with these qualities. Allow that light, white light to flow from your heart to any parts of your body where you feel weakness, where you feel that you need more strength. Let it out to every part of your body that requires more strength. This is how we take charge of our life. This is how we move from waiting to enjoy life to a part where we become joyful from inside under all circumstances. We adopt to a way of living that keeps us balanced in every situation. And at this point, allow that light to flow from your heart to your homes, to your loved ones and everyone around you. Just spread that light. And at this point, introduce yourself to this mantra. Sat Chit Ananda. When we are connected to our own powerful self, then we experience love, knowing, bliss. Repeat after me. Sat Chit Ananda. Love, knowing, bliss. Let these high vibration words of Sat Chit Ananda to percolate in every cell of your body. Just feel the serenity, the calmness it's creating within you. This is how we create highest level of vibrant energy. I thank you, God, for giving me these precious gifts of mind, body, and breath. It is only through power of breath I connect to my inner self. It is only through the power of breath I connect to the source of all healing. It is only when I am away from my inner self I am visited by pain and miseries. Your love for me is unparalleled, God. Your love for me is unconditional. I thank you, God, for accepting me the way I am and transforming me with your divine light. Slowly come back to your body consciousness and together we'll chant Om one time. Take a nice long deep breath. Om Shanti 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 Om. Just rub your palms. Slowly keep rubbing your palms. Feel the healing, the warmth, this life force energy in your palms. And now take these healing palms, place it on your eyes. This is the time to witness the calmness that you brought through this short practice of meditation. And now take your healing palms, place it on your head, both sides of your brain. May I always think right, because when I think right, the right things start to happen in my life. And now take these healing palms and just rub it all over your body, especially the areas that need healing, and slowly come back to your prayerful hands position. Start opening up your eyes, open up your palms and say, yes, I can. Repeat after me, yes, I can. I can surf through the turbulent times through this powerful practice without affecting myself. Yes, I can. And just bow down to the Almighty for giving you the wisdom, the knowledge to invest into your own well-being through these higher practices, and relax. Friends, this concludes our today's transformational wisdom session. I hope you all enjoyed being with me as much as I enjoyed being with you all. Please carry these thoughts of awareness in your interactions with the world every single day till we meet again next Monday. And do drop me your comments. How was your experience through this short session? With that, thank you so much for watching, and namaste.